What's up, guys? We're in JPM. We're doing the Cup 3-spot giveaway for the free box of 1920 Series 1 and 5 overtime packs. There's only two entries in this, Mike and Colton. So, uh, one of you guys, you know what? I'm just going to delete this. I forgot it was just you two. So, one of you guys is going to win the Series 1, and one of you guys is going to get the 5 overtime packs. So, we're going to go 3 times. Just going to do my live timestamp. 245, 245. We're going to go 3 times. 1, 2. And person on top is going to win the Series 1, and person on bottom will win the 5 overtime packs, which isn't a bad constellation prize. 245, 245. Third and final time. Good luck, guys. Colton, you get the free box of Series 1. Mike, you get the overtime pack, sir. You can get some decent autos in those. And 246 is 246. There you go.